of Belarus negotiated a peace deal between the both of them, and the president of Belarus had to fly Prigozhin out of Russia to Belarus. Now, Putin did an interview after that. They now asked Putin if he is able to forgive. He said he is able to forgive, but not everything. Vladimir Putin of Russia. This one is mafia to mafia talk. So it's better I put on my glasses. Let a mafia speak to a mafia. Yes, most of us don't want to come to the agreement that Putin is a mafia. Vladimir Putin has never hidden who he is. He is a mafia. He has proven himself over time that he is a mafia. It's just we don't want to look at Putin, don't want to accept him the way he is or the way we see him. He is a mafia. Now, Vladimir Putin, I have this video especially for the Russian president. First of all, I know many of us are not aware what happened in Russia. The plane crash that happened in Russia involving the Wagner leader, Prigozhin. Even if some of us are aware, we still need to analyze the matter. There are certain things hidden inside the matter that I'm going to let you know. All you need to do is share the video and follow this page for more updates. Something happened. Something happened before that plane crashed. I want to tell you what happened. You know, sometimes when I bring a news, some people don't even confirm. I know where I used to go and enter and get details of an event before I come and do a video. So, but I'm going to tell you what happened before that plane crashed in the air and came down to land and crashed in the ground. I'm going to let you know, but I need you to share the video so that others can be aware and know who Putin is. Some of us don't know who Putin is. It's what I will do now. Tell you, share the video, follow the page, watch the video to the end before you start to comment and say anything or criticize me. Now, Vladimir Putin, first of all, there was a time I did a video and I was accusing you that your eyes are in the resources of Niger. That's why you want to help them in Burkina Faso and Mali. I am doing this video to say that I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. I'm apologizing to you, Putin. Now, Putin did an interview. That was some months ago. In the month of June, Putin did an interview. They asked him if he can forgive. He now said he can forgive, but he cannot forgive everything. They now said, what can you not forgive? He said he cannot forgive betrayal. Over time, the killing pattern of Putin, you can see that the one that came up the other time that say he want to form a party, liberate Russia. How did he die? Go and check. How did Prigozhin die? Let me even tell you what happened with Prigozhin. Now, Prigozhin is the leader and the leader of Wagner Group. Wagner Group is a private military machinery funded by the Russian government. Now, what they do is that these private military machineries, they are being created for the like machinery for war. Sometimes they don't need to send the Russian military, they will send the machinery to go and fight a particular war. That is what the Wagner Group stands for. That is why Niger even contracted them to come and help them fight ECOWAS. Come, this one that Prigozhin have died. I hope ECOWAS is not saying they are ahead, Niger will be weak now. If Prigozhin die, he still have second in command that will continue in Niger. Don't even think about that. That is not even why I'm doing the video. Why I'm doing this video is to tell you the incidents that happened in Russia yesterday. Now, Prigozhin is the leader of Wagner Group, a private military machinery that is being contracted for war, and they are being funded by the Russian government. Automatically, the Russian government uses them. Now, in turn, Prigozhin came back planning a coup, mutiny against Putin from Kremlin, and they were approaching Moscow before somewhere, somehow, they have a change of mind, and there was a negotiation between Prigozhin, the president of Belarus, and Putin, whereby the president of Belarus negotiated a peace deal between the both of them, and the president of Belarus had to fly Prigozhin out of Russia to Belarus. Now, Putin did an interview after that. They now asked Putin if he is able to forgive. He said he is able to forgive, but not everything. They now asked him what? He now said he cannot forgive betrayal. So what Prigozhin did is a betrayal. Putin is the leader of Russia and funding your group. At the end of the day, you now say you want to come back and overthrow Putin. Putin said he will never forgive. I already know that. Even the Prigozhin knows that from the very first day he started that coup, he's already gone. He's already a gone man. He has gone already, because Putin will definitely get to him. Now, he was in Africa. He flew to fly. I think they say he was in Africa. He flew from Africa to Russia. Now, before he climbed a jet in Russia, I think they were flying somewhere else. Unconfirmed reports, before you say it's fake news. This one is unconfirmed reports. Is there. It says that, look at the screen, I posted it so that before you say it's me that is bringing fake news. Now, there are unconfirmed reports that he was handed a box of wine as a gift before he climbed the jet. So unconfirmed report is even saying that there is possibilities that the plane even blew in the air before it crash landed. That he has already blew in the air. If you see the picture I'm putting, you see that the plane is already coming down. That man is already gone before the very first day he started that mutiny against Putin. That is the day that he was even gone. That's why I'm saying we need to start seeing Putin not as a saint. He has never presented himself as a saint. He has always presented himself as a mafia. That's why you need to be scared of him. Yes, Prigozhin already tried to bite the hand that fed him. The hand that trained him, you want to bite it. How can you say you want to overthrow Putin and you expect him to forgive you? He was supposed to even know that he's gone. Another way that they are looking it, another school of thought, are saying that maybe this event that happened in the air of the jet being bombed or crash landed, they are saying that it might be a way of staying up the radar. Maybe Prigozhin knows that he is already in the death list of Putin. So maybe he's trying to, maybe what they are doing now is for him to stay up the radar of Putin. Yesterday, it might not be true. It might be true. So we are still waiting. There are more updates will be coming up. As a matter of fact, immediately after that guy crash land, Putin attended a music concert. Yes, immediately he attended a music concert. That Putin, you wouldn't know that he's a very bad guy. Action man, that's why I'm wearing my glasses. Even when they met President Biden of America, a journalist was asking him that, what does he think about this Prigozhin death? He said he's not surprised. The president of America said he's not surprised. I am unsurprised, because everybody knows that the very first day that man started that mutiny against Putin, that is the day he has been cancelled. Yes. And again, not only Prigozhin is going to go down. Everybody that cooperated with him to have that coup will be gone. Because as a matter of fact, Putin is a very smart man. He already has a list of everybody that plans that coup against him. Everybody. He has their list. As a matter of fact, that mutiny that Prigozhin did cannot even happen without people that are with Putin. Yes, and trust me, Putin are going to push them out. So that is the update I'm bringing to you. Reports coming out from different news outlets is stating that Wagner boss Prigozhin is dead from a plane crash. That is what they are saying. That is what news is saying. Different news outlets. Now, what I'm now thinking is, how is Niger going to handle it? Because they have a transaction already with Prigozhin. Automatically, maybe Niger has transferred money or they have signed a deal or something with Prigozhin. So now, what is the fate of Niger in regards to that deal? Is Prigozhin Wagner, because Wagner Group now will be facing another challenge, that their leader is gone, there will be this and that in Russia. So they will not have time to even think of Niger crisis. So I think the best thing for Niger now to do is to dialogue with ECOWAS. Dialogue with ECOWAS, of which they have even General Abdusalam Abubakar went to Niger and they had a meeting of dialogue, and Niger is saying they want peace. So now Abdusalam came back and said he has met with Tinubu and he has told Tinubu that these people want peace. There should be a proper dialogue. Besides, it is not a good thing for Nigeria to even invade Niger. Invading Niger is automatically shooting ourselves in the leg. Because if you invade Niger, we are the one that will have massive influx of refugees from Niger. So we will now start creating a ministry to take care of what they call it, the refugees from Niger. Funds will start going there. As a matter of fact, if we even send our military machinery to Niger, we will have less military to even come at the crime that is happening in Nigeria. So I'm advising the president of Nigeria to please listen to Abdusalam so that we can negotiate a peace deal with Niger, so that they can even see how they can transit to democracy peacefully. Please. Please. Yes. So this is the update I said let me bring to you today. As more updates are coming in regards to this Prigozhin Wagner boss death, I will come back and give you updates. Even as I'm trying to talk about this matter of Prigozhin, some people will say, are you a Russian? What is your business? Why are you telling us? I'm saying I must give you update, whether you like it or not. It is my duty. This is what I have signed. I have signed a contract with you, with myself and my fans. I must bring updates. Yes, all you need to do is share the video so that people can be updated of what is happening around the globe, not just in Nigeria, but around the globe. I am a news outlet too. I bring news to you from what is happening around the world. Yes, even the people that are in Canada that are saying that cost of living has risen in Canada, come to Nigeria and see what is cost of living. You that you are in UK saying that UK is hard, come to Nigeria now. It's hard, but you people don't want to come back. You are still there telling us that it's hard, this one now. I'll be bringing news from all those places too to you. Yes, I'm the spice creator. This is who I am. You can't take it from me. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.